On your waist, front away, back away. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT.
Open up. Hey everyone, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today we're going to be doing the iPhone 7 unboxing in rose gold. And I'm super excited, and I bet you guys are too. So just stay tuned if you're interested in this video. I just got my phone in the mail from UPS, and I haven't even opened it yet. So this is the box that it came inside of. Super excited to open this. I haven't even took a peek or anything. I just wanted to open it with you guys on camera. So this is going to be my first phone unboxing. Well, actually my first technology, my first electronics unboxing. So guys, yay! So I'm super out of breath. I'm super excited because UPS almost left. My dogs were barking, so that's how I know UPS was here. So I ran outside. I'm like, hey, wait. So I'm happy I was able to catch the guy. Open up. Ooh, pink. My favorite color. So that's so much for just this little box. Guys, this is how it looks. It comes in this awesome pink box, and this is the iPhone box. I'm super excited. So this is how it looks, and of course I got the phone in 32 gigabytes because I don't really need that much storage on my phone. But let's open this baby. I'm super excited. I got the phone super early. It just came out today, and I'm getting it 9 o'clock this morning, so I'm super excited. So this is how the phone looks. Of course you have the instructions in here, and you have the Apple stickers in here. These are the instructions. You know, information about the phone. So I'm actually going to zoom in to open the phone so we can focus more on the phone and not on me. Okay, so this is what she looks like. And yeah, she's a she because she's rose gold. I'm loving this color. It looks very similar to the iPhone 6. So now we're just going to go ahead and peel off the little plastic that it has here. Comes off very easy. This is complete pill porn. And there we have it. So I'm just going to power her up. Camera here. The actress says hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? Bonjour. Konnichiwa. Hello. Press home to open. Go ahead and set this phone up, and then I'll be back with the phone all set up. So you get your outlet adapter, and you get your earbuds, and it also comes with a lightning cable because, as you guys know, the headphones are now connected through the same charger port. You guys are gonna need this for your headphones if you do not buy the earplugs that they came out with that are actually wireless. But if you want to use your regular headphones, you're going to need a lightning adapter. And I really think this thing is going to be so hard to keep track of. I'm pretty sure I will lose this. That's just how I am. I lose small things. So this is the USB. Of course, it has the lightning cable. And that's all that came in this box, guys. So these are regular headphones. The ones that you get with all the other iPhones, they're regular headphones. You just have to attach the lightning cable to the end of it and then plug this into your phone. Then you got your headphones and you're ready to go. Just put in my Sims card. Now I'm up to location services. Touch ID. They have Touch ID now. Now I have to do this. I'm gonna set up the Touch ID later. This is just my passcode. I'm not gonna show you guys that. Then I'm going to enter all my Apple information. Then it says choose your click. Let's see. Click 1, 2. I'm gonna try 1. You can choose standard view or you can choose zoom. I'm gonna go with standard. Yeah, standard. Now let's get started. Let's get it started. And there you have it. Now I just have to download all my apps like Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, stuff like that. And of course Instagram. But guys, that's basically it. Absolutely love. I absolutely love the new iPhone 7. Pink is absolutely my favorite color, so of course I had to get rose gold. I feel like this phone is very, very lighter than the 6. That's why I like it. The only thing is that I'm waiting for my OtterBox case to come in. I didn't want a black case, so I ordered mine off of the OtterBox website instead of getting it from T-Mobile. So guys, I really love this phone. I feel like it's like so sleek and like clean, and I just love it. And I'm actually not going to walk around with this phone right now because I know I will drop it because I'm a klutz. I'm very clumsy and I don't want to break the phone the first day I got it. So I'm actually going to leave my phone in the house while I'm out for now until I get my OtterBox, which is tomorrow, which is Saturday. Today is Friday, and like I said, I'm super stoked and surprised that I got my phone so early. Like, it just came out and my phone is here and I'm like super excited. I didn't mention that I did want the 7 Plus, but they told me I had to wait until November, so I'm gonna end up trading this one in for the 7 Plus because I do want that dual camera. That's what I was going for, the dual camera. But guys, this is the 7, and I hope you guys really like my video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I post videos twice a week, and if you subscribe, you will never miss one of my videos, and it's absolutely free, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. Have a blessed day. Bye.